Have you ever wondered why we're different from the other people? The way we think, the way we feel, the way we behave are very different to the other people. And I believe that this theory will explain this better. So, hello everyone, I am Abigail Valmoria, and this video I'm going to explain the different types or the different systems by Yuri Bronfenbrenner, or also called, it is called as the ecological system theory by Yuri Bronfenbrenner. So according to him, there are 5 systems, or like, but gipakong ma'am is 4 katulad microsystem, mesosystem, exosystem, macrosystem. Pero according to my research, 5 sila na ay chronosystem. But now, I'm going to explain only the 4 systems, the given 4 systems. So, let's start with the microsystem. By the way, I have here an illustration that shows the different systems. Diba? Layers siya from closest to largest. Here, first is the microsystem. In microsystem, it has to do with the direct influence or direct communication between the child and that particular institution. It means that it is the closest environment of a child where it can influence his or her development. So, my example is like for example, at home na atong parents, na mga siblings, atong if sa school na there are mga teachers, mga classmates, and then also it includes our peers or our mga friends. So, like for example, a teacher encourages a student or a child to participate in class, and as a result, the child will be more confident kay encourages a teacher. It has to do with the relationship between the teacher and the child. So man to siya positive ang iyahang influence sa child kay maka-encourage siya, so as a result mabos iyang confidence. So another one is the mesosystem. And mesosystem is the relationship of the microsystem. So, diba sa microsystem atong family, na atong parents, kanang siblings. So, in mesosystem, na siya relationship between ato. So, like for example, parent-teacher relationship. So, ang tahay na ay mga school project, if nabitay harmonious relationship, harmonious connection between that particular microsystems, or like between the particular institutions, is it can be able to influence the child, his or her behavior positively. Like for example, again katunay ang parent is actively supporting sa child sa iyahang academic. So, mo to siya nga ang child is nindot iyahang karanasan or experience sa kanahang iyahang pag-study. So, muna siya sa mesosystem. So, another one is the exosystem. So, an exosystem is it has to do with the indirect, or like even though dili siya indirect kanang ang child is actively participated in that particular institution, but it can still affect the behavior of a child. It can still affect the development of the child. Like for example, parents' workplaces. Diba, dili man jud maingon nato nga ang child is nagtrabaho, dili, because ang parent rin nagtrabaho. So, but let's just say nga kantay ang parent is layo yung kanang workplaces, kantay ng OFW. So possible nga gamay ra jud ang guidance nga mahatag sa parents, gamay ra jud ang iyahang pagtagad nga mahatag niya sa usa ka child, sa iyang anak ingana. So di ba some of cases is kanang nay ang child if ingana is sometimes makapil bitaw sila og kanang kuwang, murag pil nila na jud kuwang, possible nga mawala ilang landas kay lagi kuwang og parenting, kuwang og kanang guidance sa usa ka parents. So ang nakaapekto na is kanang iyang pagtrabaho kay maybe because of busy yang parents, bisan pag dili bitaw direct ingana, but it can still affect the development of the child. So the last one is the macro system. From the word itself, macro means big, and it includes the kanang society, the culture. So muna siya sa macro system. My example here is kanang it includes also the religion, the culture, values of culture, society, economy, just like that. Macro system is kana bitang nay pangkalahatan na siya, kanang dako, big biya, macro. So example na ani is in terms of religion is kanang nakoy classmate nga lahi siya religion, and then I bet nga lahi jud may og behavior, because sa among religion manggod wala kayoy bawal. Pero unlike sa ila, daghan kayo bawal mag-inom, bawal manisco, bawal mamista, bawal mamerya ingana. But sa mua is gamay ra kayo bawal or dili kayo, depende ra namo. But mo to nga makita na siya nga murag modest kaayo nga nabitong ni sa ilang religion ni bawal ka mag kanang sanina nga pinakuan lain pinaigat. So ingana murag lahi ra pud ang among behavior is agsiya very demure, very kuan. Pero ay dili ko nag-ingon nga dili pud ko kan ang ako lang is naa jay big difference namo because of that particular religion namo sa usag-usa, lahi-lahi ng religion. So of course makaapekto din siya. Another example nako for this is about sa culture. So di ba kasanayan natin ang mga Pilipino na mo respect ta sa atong elders, mo bless ta, mo say taog po and upo, and then ano siya. So it can shapes our behavior for being a respectful individual. And then sa kawaan po sa Japan na kay ba ko nga ilahang napud sila culture nga ang ilang bata is ilan ang gi-train to be more disciplinado, to be more kanang responsible of anything. So muna siya for culture. And diba again sa hanggi kon ganiha nga nganong naiuban na usahay jud nga lahi man tag behavior sa usa ka tawo. Ako lahi kong behavior sa akong classmates bisan pagka-batchmate me. Maybe because if kanang sa environment. But dili lang ni siya about sa environment, dili ra ni siya about sa kanang giun sa pag-influence sa laing tao or even sa environment. It has to do with ourself also. Depende ra na nato kung unsaon nato pag-deal in that particular environment. Okay? So I guess that's all I can say. That's all explanation I have, and that's all. Hope you learned something. Again, this is me, Abigail Valmoria, and thank you for watching.